Welcome back to my channel, guys. This is Rashi, and that's not me on your screen. That's my friend Baruni, who very happily volunteered to be my model for this look. I actually wanted to do like an electric look, like electric blue that's like cocktail, but she's actually wearing Indian earrings with that. So we just figured out that you can do any look with any kind of attire, and that you just have to make that look yours. So thank you, Baruni, for being my model. I'm going to show you a detailed tutorial of this look and also the products that I'm using. You can actually see the clippings while we do this tutorial. We're going to start with moisturizing, but while I moisturize her face, you please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon because you want to know when the next video is up, and also like the video yaar if you like it in the end. Find me on Instagram, Rashi Sopti Makeup, and now let's start the makeup. So I am going to start with the eyes first, but I'm just moisturizing her face so that by the time my eyes khatam karu, the face is like well prepped and hydrated. I'm going to take a Tarte concealer to start this look that is going to act like a primer and also going to be the base for the eye makeup. Little Vaseline because her lips look chapped. And yes, so now you can see I have actually mentioned the product here on the screen. That is what I've used here is the light neutral shade, and that is going to be our base for the eyes. Basically you can use any concealer, light concealer that you have, but I'm just giving you the product that I have used. I'm starting with the crease, and for that I've taken an orange shade from this gorgeous palette. Yes, you would have guessed it because that's all that you've been seeing me using for the last couple of days. It's Color Fusion by Beauty Glazed, and I'm using all the shades from this palette only. So it's going to be that orange color that you can see from this palette, any that you like, and I'm just going to cover my entire crease with that. I am deepening the crease a little more, with a darker orange, and that's just going to give us like more depth in the eyes. Next I've taken, this is like a violet shade from the same palette, and I'm just applying it on the outer corner of my eyelid. After that violet, I actually took a dark blue from the same palette and I mixed it up with that violet that I had applied because I just want to make my outer lid a little more deeper. With the same concealer, my Tarte concealer, guys, I am actually making a cut crease here. You've also seen me doing this on myself in my last video, and just making a half crease because Baruni has beautiful eyes, and I thought cut crease would really look very, very pretty on those eyes. From the same palette, I have taken a lighter blue, which is more like a royal blue, a peacock blue actually, and I'm just merging it, on the outer corner. Next, you can actually see me using a royal blue. Now, who would have thought royal blue on the eyes? But I actually have. I just thought it's going to look very pretty on her. So, in fact, the earrings also that she's going to wear later are royal blue. So I thought, why not use royal blue? So if you see, I've covered the mid lid with that color, and I'm just blending it softly with the darker shade outside. Morphe Days. Now I just recently discovered this glitter and I'm really loving it. I'm applying this on the inner corner of my eyes, not my eyes, Baruni's eyes. I'm so used to saying my eyes. Okay, and then I am blending the Inglot Body Sparkles all over the lid because see, that's going to give like the overall shine to the lid, like you can see. So मैंने actually इस sparkle को बहुत randomly पूरे lid पे लगा दिया है. Now I'm just cleaning the mess that I have created under her eyes, and I'm just going to brush her brows. She has very dark brows. इसको ज़्यादा कुछ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. So I'm just neatening them up with a brow pencil. And next I've just made a smudged liner with a kajal pencil and applied false lashes to her eyes. Moving on to the face, I'm prepping her face up with the Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer, and I think I'm absolutely loving this product. She has a bit of pigmentation darkness under her eyes and a little around her mouth, so for that I'm using an orange corrector. आप कोई भी brand का use कर सकते हो. I have this brand called Derma Cover, and that is what I use. Just blending it very softly. And now what, the procedure that I do on myself, I'm using the same caramel concealer from Maybelline on her as well. Next, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me favorite foundation, guys. Thankfully, I had her shade as well, and if you see, it's going to blend in so smoothly on her skin. Baruni has a great skin texture, so it wasn't a lot of hard work. Highlighting her under eyes, I'm using the sand shade from Maybelline Fit Me Pro Concealers again, and this is just to brighten up her face a bit. Just making sure that it is blended really well on the areas applied. And now setting her face with this LA Girl Pro Face Compact. Loose powder compact, you can use anything that you have. I'm now giving her kajal with Maybelline Kajal pencil, and I have put up no image for that because you can use any kajal that you want. And then I've taken that same blue shade, royal blue shade, in a small brush, and I have applied it on that kajal and I have blended it. Once the mascara is done, I'm going to move to my contour, and that's my NYX bronzer that I'm using for contouring her cheekbones, her jawline, and a little on her nose. She doesn't have a very broad forehead, so I didn't contour that much. This is the palette that I'm going to be using both for highlighter and for blush, guys. So if you can see, the highlighter application is going on just on the normal areas that we always do, and Maruni is absolutely enjoying her makeup, and we had a gala time blabbering throughout this look. For lipstick today, I'm actually mixing two shades. This is bleached. Actually, the image that you can see here is not of bleached, but this is the brand that I'm using. This is Forever 52, and I had topped this up with Gulabi from Smashbox, and then just setting it up with my PAC makeup spray. And that is Baruni's look for you. That was the shabby me on the background, and now you can see, once she's got her earrings out, she's opened her hair. That is the look for you, guys. I think she's carrying it really well, very confidently, and that proves, if you carry any, you can carry any color with confidence, and Baruni just did that so well. So again, cocktail, funky kind of eyes, but she matched it with an Indian attire. And yeah, so that's about it. So how did you find this look, guys? Please do give me your feedback. Subscribe to my channel. Come back very soon. We have lots more coming up. Bye.